Lenoir City is ideally located for springtime whitewater paddling.
Let's see, this week so far we've been to the Little River by Townsend. We've been on the Tellico River. We've been on Clear Creek and the Obed and Emery Rivers on the Cumberland Plateau.
We're about an hour away from the Obed area to the north, the Smoky Mountain areas with the Little River and Little Pigeon River to the east, and the Tellico River to the south. So they're all less than an hour. It's all an easy drive, and come right back here to Lenoir City where you have everything you need to rest and relax and get ready for the next day.